voice intonation, emotion, face expression, all of that need to be there for the experience to work. What we love about Inworld is that they have built these facets into one easy to integrate tool, and we can bring in the avatar representation layer on top of that and have a fully functioning solution. Animaze right now is avatar for the people. So anyone that has a webcam can use Animaze. A lot of our users right now are influencers, streamers, VTubers, but also just people wanting to have fun with their friends. But what we needed to be really careful when doing so is that we keep the emotions. The core of our communication is our feelings, it's our emotions. The flash support is almost inconsequential if the emotion gets through. We were seeing all these great AI emerging that were in need of a face. There are people who do bits and pieces of the entire experiences, but very few who try to tie it all together. We saw Inworld's pitch for let's populate these immense worlds with smart NPCs that you can have deep conversation with and are absolutely believable. And that is exactly what we wanted. We wanted somebody who understands that populating a world with characters is a complex endeavor, and it's just not about the brain or just about the voice or just about the gestures, but about the overall experience that brings all that together. I think there is a huge opportunity for avatars in all these metaverse worlds, whether they're VR, AR, or some other form. It is a good investment because an AI avatar spokesperson will never lose their cool, and they will never get COVID. They will never be late for a photo shoot. If a person, they come for support and maybe they're a bit upset, a cute avatar might diffuse some of their anger rather than just a boring support person. You cannot be too angry on this less cute little guy if he's offering support. In a museum expo, of course, if you want to have some form of concierge item, the curator that explains everything, they would have to be there 24/7. An actor would probably have a certain wear and tear after 8 hours of doing that, but an AI can speak all languages, can have their sensibilities attuned to like the specifics of the locale, and it can take any shape or form that's appropriate for the person that they're talking with. So they can outperform a human employee in doing the same job. An interesting use case for AI with avatars is to have a personalized assistant for many activities. One of it could be shopping. They could learn your particular taste in many areas and help you find the best products, but also in terms of supporting your day-to-day activities, your work activities. We already see ChatGPT being able to take on a huge workload. As great as large language models in general are right now, the people who are using them are still held back by the interface itself. So if we would put a more relatable interface between the user and the AI, which is an avatar that is able to showcase a full palette of emotions and where the conversation happens in natural language, you could get even more work done because the interface is more natural rather than just image and text prompts. We were so hyper focused on bringing all the subtle expressions and emotions on the faces of the avatars that I think we are quite uniquely positioned to have these avatars that run on consumer grade hardware be the face for AI.
Hi,
Hey there, how's it going?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great, always ready for a new adventure and to learn something new. What brings you here today?
I'm here to ask you a few questions.
Sure thing, ask away, what do you want to know?
What do you like to learn most?
As an explorer, I like to learn about all sorts of things, from different cultures and traditions to cutting-edge technology. There's always something interesting to discover, but if I had to choose one thing that excites me the most, it would probably be the intersection of animation and artificial intelligence. It's fascinating how we can create virtual worlds and characters that behave in a lifelike way using advanced algorithms and machine learning.
Why hello there. I'm Albert Einstein, the famous physicist. And who might you be? Well, Animaze. I'm glad you asked. My work on the theory of relativity completely changed our understanding of space and time. It revolutionized physics, helped pave the way for modern technology, and even influenced our culture in many ways.
Hey there! there! Welcome to Open Lands, where we offer a wide range of stylish and sustainable clothing options. We believe in fashion that is both trendy and eco-friendly. What type of clothing are you interested in?
Hey there, I'm Barry, the burger mascot for Barry's Burgers. Barry's Burgers is a family-owned burger restaurant that has been around for 78 years. We're known for our classic Barry's Burger, which has all the perfect ingredients to make your taste buds dance with joy. We also have the best cheeseburger in the world.
In terms of how complete the solution was, there was just no comparison for us. We were thinking about, is this product just for businesses? Is this product for individuals? And we love to see that Inworld's pricing system has become more affordable. It opens up the door to individuals actually entertaining the idea of having their own Inworld-based AI personal assistant. And also because I've seen the progress month to month that the software makes. So in the latest integration, I was amazed at the quality of the generated voice inflections and what were the subtle emotions that could be read in that voice. And this was a clear improvement over 2 or 3 or 4 months ago. Other companies should use Inworld because of the speed at which they're improving the solution, and also the degree of completeness. They are providing so many of the facets of the experience that made it really easy for us to just add the avatar layer on top of that and have a working product.